A vial of perfume. A bale of hay. A heap of leaves. A ream of paper. A stack of pancakes. A bucket of popcorn. A shot of espresso. A pint of beer. A tray of cookies. A pinch of cinnamon. A carton of eggs. A slice of ham. A sprig of parsley. A stalk of celery. A pint of ice cream. A quart of juice. A cup of flour. A spoonful of yogurt. A square of chocolate. A sheet of paper. A bar of soap. A dollop of whipped cream. A jug of water. A packet of sugar. A bag of chips. A scoop of ice cream. A ladle of soup. A bunch of grapes. A cluster of bananas. A tube of toothpaste. A grain of rice. A flake of snow. A bit of dust. A heap of laundry. A pile of books. A crate of oranges. A slice of pizza. A rasher of bacon. A jar of honey. A bundle of firewood. A pot of tea. A roll of tape. A smear of butter. A head of cabbage. A bottle of soda. A bowl of soup. A dab of lotion. A bottle of ketchup. A cup of coffee. A stick of chalk. A tank of gas. A bundle of wheat. A cluster of stars. A bucket of popcorn. A kernel of corn. A piece of cake. A sliver of onion. A bowl of nibbles. A bulb of garlic. A spoonful of sugar. A handful of nuts. A pinch of salt. A drop of water. A clove of garlic. A wedge of lemon. A slice of bread. A chunk of cheese. A teaspoon of honey. A stick of butter. A head of lettuce. A leaf of basil. A glass of milk. A string of pearls. A tank of oil. A bar of chocolate. A box of chocolate. A roll of fabric. A goblet of wine. A puff of smoke. A spool of thread. A packet of biscuits. A loaf of bread. A packet of tissues. A bale of cotton. A pair of scissors. A bouquet of flowers. A pair of shoes. A spoonful of syrup. A head of broccoli. A pot of stew. A bar of gold. A platter of sushi.